Welcome to ArtTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to draw this drawing step by step. So stay tuned.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand.
so lost, chasing what I know I'll find. You got me so hurt, leaving me waiting all this time. You tell me that you need some space, some time to go and clear your head, and that you need to go and find your place. But you should be here with me instead. And I'm so faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting, waiting's got me feeling so down. I can't control my heart, and it's you that has it falling apart. I can't keep chasing, 'cause my feelings keep on spinning around. You got me fading. Why can't you see all the pain that you've left me, all the scars you've left behind? Why you go and setting yourself free? But I'm never gonna let you go.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Always hoping that you gon' come back and stay, but I'm starting to lose hope, 'cause you won't pick up your phone.